Good morning traders and welcome to the counting service. Today we're gonna start with the Euro USD that currently is trading at the 106.57. The price on the hourly chart reached the trend line and we are expecting a deeper continuation to the upside. The plan is to follow the move up to the area of the 786, the 107.63. Here is the wave W, here is the wave X, and then expecting the move up to the 78.6%. So this is going to be the plan to follow this leg up for the wave 2. What about the pound? The pound is showing that the wave 2 red is active. Yesterday we comment that in case that the price failed to create a new high, as we can see here, and the validation at the 124.59, because of course at that level is starting a bearish cycle, that was the signal to add another X, the same we did here on the left, another X for this leg down. So we are seeing that the price is gonna make a new low below the 123.82, but don't forget that the invalidation is at the 123.46. So in that case, if the price moves below that level, that will mean that this wave 2 magenta is active. So for now, let's focus on this target and let's see how it's going to behave. What about the Aussie? The Aussie did a deep retrace. As I said at the beginning of the week, we don't like the Aussie too much this week. It's too choppy. It's in a sideways pattern, so we don't like it. In case that we have a market reversal, the target will be the previous high area, but we don't like it at all. While the dollar yen has been doing fantastic, we found the top of the market, as you can remember. Also, we suggest a trade below the 114.10 area, 114.20 at the beginning of the week. And the price went lower today to complete the wave A. The suggestion for the upcoming week is to wait for a 3-wave sequence up for B and then go short again. So what a great week with the dollar yen. Dollar CAD is in a consolidation. Our forecast says that we are going down, that we are going to see the reversal soon, and actually a pending order for next week could be placed around the 130.72 area or the 130.60 area in order to navigate all the way down on this sideways pattern. In case that the price continues making new highs, then cancel your order. What about the Kiwi, the New Zealand? The New Zealand is showing move down where we have the wave 2 active. So it's acting here on the wave 2. We were expecting yesterday a new move up to have a better symmetry for this leg, because we didn't have an asymmetry. We have some concerns that the price could easily go and get and take this low out and make a new low. So be careful with that. For now, we're bearish, we're short, and expecting the end of these two. S&P is in a sideways corrective. In case that the price is able to break out the 23.37, is going to go today to the 23.33. So that could be a nice day trade to follow today on the S&P. If the price moves below the 23.38 area, to target the 23.33. And what about Dow? Dow is showing that the price, after doing this deep retrace, is finding some support. So let's wait on Dow. We don't see anything clear yet. And what about Nasdaq? Nasdaq completed this wave 3. We are at the wave 4. So we are here at the wave 4, ABC for 4. I'm expecting the continuation up after that. So it's a continuation. That is the whole plan, to continue buying the stock indices German DAX, doing the retrace as expected. Fantastic forecast. And gold is doing this leg up. Yesterday we comment about a harmonic pattern, as you can remember. Precisely there, 1242 is reacting. I would like to short gold only if the price consolidates here a little bit more, at least 4 or 5 hourly candles, makes a consolidation and then moves below this level. That will be one entry to target this low, and if the price is able to break out this low where the wave 4 ended, I will activate the previous low areas. So that will be the market reversal. Here we can have a trend line where the price already the breakout and pullback, and we can also have a more conservative trend line or a new trend line, because this new low and on that area that I just explained with price action is going to be the market reversal, and is going to start the C wave down. So if the price continues on the other hand and breakouts this level, then cancel any bearish idea. What about oil? Oil reacted fantastic to the downside as expected. Was a little bit bumpy, the rate. We have a wave 1, wave 2, but didn't invalidate, didn't create a new move up. Beautiful breakout of the triangle, but a strong pullback, as you can see, breakout, and that is a strong pullback to the upper side of the triangle area again. That's fine. 1, 2. Here comes the next validation for the wave 3 and the continuation down. So that's going to be the plan for oil. And finally, here we have the Russell that continues adding momentum to the bullish move. Our target has been met this week, the both targets, and now it's continuing the move up. So that's going to be the plan for today. Thank you very much for your time. If you have questions or comments, please contact us. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you next Monday. Take care. Bye-bye.